Good morning. In this video we are going to study or to discuss about communication. Basically this communication is the backbone of electronics and electrical students. Right now this communication process we are using in digital signal processing, we are using in signaling system, we are using in electronics communication, wireless communication. Okay. First of all we have to know what is communication, and after that the type of communication, where we are using this type of communication process. Okay, so let's see what is communication. This communication is nothing but a process in which we can transmit or receive any intelligence from one place to another place by using proper medium. Now what is that? Means consider an example. Classroom study is a type of communication. For a classroom study, we need a board, we need some chalk, marker, duster, one faculty, some of the students. Yes or no? These all those things is combined inside a classroom. The classroom study is a one type of example. Next, if you are absent, someone is absent, someone is far from you, if you want to convey any information or if you want to convey any type of data, so we are using mobile phone communication. Yes or no? So that is nothing but a communication. We are transmitting data. That's why I have written here intelligence. So, what is intelligence? This intelligence is nothing but, right now I have to know what is intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but it may be any type of information. Whatever I am speaking right now, that is also information. Okay. Next thing, it may be any type of symbol. It may be any type of audio. It may be any type of video. It may be any type of symbol. It may be any type of picture. It may be any type of alphanumeric values. It may be any type of eye contact. It may be any type of gesture. It may be any type of poster. Yes or no? Poster is also a one type of information. Yes or no? Means this information is consisting of all those things. It may be any type of number. Yes or no? If we are going somewhere and we are getting the information as the form of symbol, if we are getting the information as the form of audio, we are getting the information as the form of video or any number, any alphanumeric value. Sometimes we are getting the information with the help of eye contact, with the help of poster. So the data, whatever we are going to transmit from one place to another place, we are required some data. So this is also in normal language we are carrying information or data. That is the main role or main important source of this communication. After that, we have to remember the features of communication. It is nothing but always the communication will be successful whenever there is a two type or two way of communication. Means communication is nothing but two way. First thing, it is a two-way communication. Always effective communication is nothing but a two-way communication. Second one is these features of communication may be verbal or non-verbal. It may be verbal or it may be non-verbal. Okay. According on this, the structure of communication is nothing but there is a sender, there is a receiver. Okay. Who will transmit the information? That is nothing but sender. Who will receive the information or who will get the information? That is nothing but that person is called as receiver. From sender to receiver, whatever sender wants to speak or whatever sender wants to write, we are using some language. It may be Tamil, it may be Malayalam, it may be Kannada, it may be Hindi, it may be English. Yes or no? Appropriate channel we are, or appropriate language we are selecting. Yes or no? That is nothing but your encoding to message. Okay. After we are using a proper channel, I have written already in this definition that we are using by using a proper medium. Right now, this medium is nothing but channel. Channel is also called as medium. Channel is also called as medium. Now, what is medium? I am giving one example. If you are not present inside my class, then I have to call you for giving something or some data or some information. Yes or no? Without that, I can't transmit any type of information. So, mobile communication or letter writing or email writing. So, that source is nothing but channel or medium. Understood? After this, the receiver will get the information and receiver is decode the information by decoding process. Then only it will a effective communicate. Okay, whatever I am going to speak, if you want, you can understand or you can able to understand, then that is effective communication. After that, we are giving some feedback, we are giving some acknowledgement. Yes or no? We are giving some delivery reports. That is nothing but called as feedback. For betterment of communication, always for a good communication or always for a betterment of communication, we require feedback. Okay. After that, that feedback is transmitted by using channel to send. This feedback is given by receiver and it is transmitted by using channel to send. Okay. The next topic is types of communication. Okay. If I am considering about communication, basically this type of communication is, normally we are telling about that communication is basically two types. One is wireless communication and second one is wired communication. Okay. What is wireless communication and what is wired communication? Basically, wireless communication is a electronics or electromagnetical transformation. Electromagnetic transmission or transmit any electromagnetical field or data from one place to another place, that is called as wireless communication. Basically, wireless communication means 2G, 3G, 4G, okay, cellular communication, broadband connection, radio communication, cordless communication, okay, DMR, etc. Your wireless communication. Right now, what is wired communication? Wired means to connect any device from sender to receiver. If that is connected to a electronics medium or electronics connecting device, that is called as wired device. Rest of all that, according on channel and according on purpose, it is also divided into two parts. Based on, this is based on operation or based on operation. Okay. Again, based on channel. And second one is based on, your first one is based on channel, second one is based on purpose. क्यों हम लोग ये कम्युनिकेशन इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं? Okay. Right now, this based on channel, it is again three. First one is verbal, second one is non-verbal, and third one is your visual. Okay. What is verbal communication? Verbal communication means it is again two types. One is oral communication, whatever I am right now doing, and one is written communication. Written communication means we are using email, we are using report writing, we are using any type of letter, we are drawing some poster. Yes or no? That is written communication. Excuse me, sir. Next type of communication is your non-verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, we can't transmit any data by using any oral voice or audio voice. We can't transmit. We can only transmit any picture. We can only transmit any type of visual information. Means it is we can transmit any type of symbol. We can transmit any type of picture. They are interrelated with each other. Okay. Next one is based on picture or based on purpose. This type of communication is two types. One is formal and another was informal communication. First one is formal communication and second one is informal communication. Formal communication is, again it is three types: vertical, horizontal or diagonal. Okay, this is the concept of communication. Basically, this all communication system we are using in different types of system. Okay, whatever we are giving as the data, that is represented as the form of signal. That is represented as the form of signal. So we can write this message or information. We can write in the form of, or we can draw in the form of signal. Yes or no? On the next class, we are going to deal about what is signal and what is system. Thank you.